Diesel engines are known for their low-end torque, low-maintenance durability, and high MPG figures, which make them an excellent option for trucks. While big trucks had utilized diesels for decades, pickup consumers were turned off by 1980s-era diesels that were loud, smoky, sluggish, and difficult to start in the cold. Today's diesels are as quiet, clean, smooth, and trouble-free as gas engines, and they have the highest fuel efficiency in their classes, even outperforming gasoline hybrids. Although our list includes several 2021 models, these are the finest diesel trucks for 2022. We took into account half-ton and mid-size trucks, but we also ranked heavy-duty vehicles individually. While the numerical ratings represent each truck's overall qualities, our list order takes into account the torque, fuel economy, and general performance of each truck's diesel-powered variants. The Ram 1500 has numerous advantages, one of which is its optional 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6 engine. It's a $4,995 option on most models, but it provides a 12,560 pound-tow rating, 480 pound-feet of torque, both highest among diesel half-ton trucks, and up to 26 mpg combined, which is better than Ford's F-150 hybrid and matched for best-in-class full-size fuel efficiency with GM's diesels. The Ram's acceleration isn't nearly as quick as that of the GM diesels or the F-150 hybrid, but few other trucks provide the Ram's degree of luxury and comfort, and none of its full-size truck competitors ride as nicely. For 2022, the Silverado receives significant changes that significantly enhance it in comparison to its competition. One of the highlights is the optional 3.0-liter Duramax diesel inline-six, which is a $2,390 option on most models and receives its own makeover this year. GM has increased the diesel's towing capability to 13,300 pounds when correctly set up, despite the fact that power remains same. That is the maximum towing capacity available from a half-ton diesel vehicle now that Ford has discontinued the diesel F-150. The Duramax Silverado has the greatest fuel efficiency of any full-size truck in rear-wheel drive form, with a combined rating of 26 mpg. This is tied with Ram. However, the Duramax has more horsepower and provides greater acceleration and overall performance. The Sierra has numerous advantages, including as a clever multifunction tailgate, a good towing safety package, and plenty of space, but it also shares many features and characteristics with its less expensive sister, the Chevrolet Silverado. Among them is the $2,390 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel inline-six engine, which can get up to 26 mpg combined. That's the same as the Chevy and Ram, although the GMC's highway mileage rating is somewhat lower, 30 mpg, than the other two, 32 and 33, owing to its bluff front face. The 2022 Sierra will get much of the same changes as the 2022 Silverado, including a significant increase in diesel towing capability to 13,100 pounds, which is significantly more than Ram but somewhat lower than Chevrolet. Few pickups, if any, can compete with the Gladiator's off-road prowess, especially with the increased ground clearance of the Rubicon model, and its look is as tough as its capabilities. For 2021, the Gladiator will be available with a $4,000 3.0-liter EcoDiesel V6 engine that can get up to 24 mpg combined. Unlike other comparable vehicles, the Gladiator's overall performance increases with the diesel, with quicker 0 to 60 timings and more passing power, as well as greater torque for usage on rocks and mud. It sacrifices performance for hauling capabilities, with a payload limit of 1,325 pounds and a towing capacity of 6,500 pounds, compared to 1,700 and 7,560 for fully equipped gas Gladiators. This is due to the high weight penalty imposed by diesel engines. Aside from the lower carrying capabilities, the Gladiator is the top performance among mid-size diesel trucks in every other category. The Gladiator will remain unaltered in 2022. Pause X Strong. The Colorado shares its base and 2.8-liter turbo diesel four-cylinder engine with the GMC Canyon, but it also provides a few options that the GMC does not. While crewcab models are broadly similar to the diesel Canyon, with the same 23 mpg combined and 7,700 pound maximum tow ratings, the Colorado offers a diesel in the off-road-oriented extended cab ZR2 and ZR2 Bison models, which are more capable off-road and visually extroverted than GMC's AT4 model. The ZR2's disadvantage is that it has a combined fuel efficiency rating of just 19 mpg. The diesel option, like the Canyon, is priced differently depending on trim, ranging from $3,500 to $5,680. Diesel Colorados will remain mostly unchanged in 2022. The Canyon's optional 2.8-liter four-cylinder diesel engine isn't nearly as powerful as the six-cylinder engines on our list, but it's a reliable and inexpensive motor that produces 369 pound-feet of torque and returns up to 23 mpg combined. Though it isn't as speedy as the Canyon's V6 gasoline variants, it has the greatest tow rating of any midsize truck at 7,700 pounds. The disadvantage is the cost, which varies by model and trim, with some diesels costing more than $5,000 more than their gas counterparts. The Canyon receives new looks and an off-road themed AT4 model for 2021, but Chevrolet's Colorado provides much of the same for less money. Both trucks are penalized for the absence of basic driver assist technologies. The Canyon will remain mostly unaltered in 2022.